It is to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. It's a transfer deadline in South Africa. That means whoever wants to buy a player who's currently contracted to another club, they have to buy him and make sure that they make that deal go through today. We shall find out, of course, through the duration of the day whether or not some of those moves go through. This weekend, the CAF Champions League and Confederations Cup is continuing, but we won't focus on that. We will be watching those games, of course, as always. Sundowns, Babana Swallows, and Orlando Pirates playing against Ijuan and Galaxy as well. We'll be watching those games, but we won't talk about them. Those games look done and dusted. Sipho Mbule on loan to Sekhukhune. We've already seen some of the pictures wearing Sekhukhune colors. It looks like it's a done deal. So I'm going to ask in this video, Tso Vilakazi, and later on in this video, Junior Kanye as well, what they think about that move. So thank you very much for joining us. Sipho Mbule to Sekhukhune. We didn't expect it at the beginning of the week, but it looks like it's done now. He's already been seen wearing Sekhukhune colors.
Mr. Kunjani
So and so?
Ngibulisa wena ngibulisa Junior.
Chester?
Ngibulisa Justice. Nginibulisa nani emakhaya ngicela support njalo like Disk TV. Ngizobe nje njalo ngijike futhi.
Good move for him?
Yeah, in terms of
On
him,
loan?
yeah, well, he's going to play. That's one thing that we want to see. We want to see him in the field of play and play. But for Sekhukhune, I don't know whether is it late for me to make a call for Nichorena to take him, because I think the Chiefs, they need a player like him, especially when they've got Abo Serino Ganje, looking at Ulontuzana, Abo Mtutuzi, Abo Vilakazi, young boys are also going to learn from him. I think, we can't say no. Why not?
It seems as though it's you guys who signed these players for Chiefs. It doesn't look like Chiefs are always fighting to get these players. And also the second question would be that would Sundowns loan, even if it's a loan, would they strengthen the Chiefs? Because I do think that Sundowns would look at Chiefs as a threat. I don't think they're going to win the league, obviously, but they would, anything to help Chiefs would be almost a threat to them.
Yeah, Mr. Gil, these big teams, they're very smart in doing their things, because they know that if I give you a good player, the influence that is going to bring to the team, obviously is going to give them a headache, and that's one thing that I doubt that they will do it. But Mr. Gil,
well, whatever we say, so he's on loan, Sekhukhune now. We might as well focus on that now.
Now it's done, and it's also, that's why I'm happy that he's going to play. Because one thing that I hate is to see a very good player sitting a bench in and not playing, and it's going to be a waste of talent. And Sipho, Mbule, I think he's a player that if he can continue to play, maybe we can see him in the national team, because we need players like him. He's a thinker, good passer, good reader of the game, and it seems like we are short of those players in the national team. So for him to go to Sekhukhune, and Siema is a coach Utanda Ukdlala foot, I think it's going to be a good compliment to have a player like him.
How do you think this happened? There's Floyd Mbele there. You are familiar with the owners as well.
Yeah.
The brothers, Zabo Malatsi, the owner and the CEO as well.
Yes.
How do you think they would have pulled this off? Because this is a great deal for them.
Look, I think Floyd, Siema, they've played a role in that. They've played a role, and looking at their team and what they want in that midfield. Remember that Mkocho left. So I think for them to go for him is to fill that void Leana Eshu Mkocho in that midfield, because they need Mkocho was doing a very good job. Yes, he's not a hard tackler Sipho Mbule, but playing that role in the midfield, controlling that midfield, he's gonna do that, and it's gonna do wonders. So I think Floyd, Siema, they had a chat, and they've seen good. I think Sundowns, maybe they can give us this player, and they went to them, and now it's a done deal for them, and they've got a good player. I hope to see him doing what he does best.
All right, before I move on to Junior, is there still a future of this player at Sundowns? Do you think they're pushing him out? It's one way of nicely pushing him out, or he can do well, get himself back to fitness at Sekhukhune, and then go back to Sundowns?
Under this leadership, I think it's done and dusted for him. I don't see them taking him back, because when you look at the style of football that Sundowns plays, you can't release a player like him. If it was the other coaches,
unless there are other issues.
Other issues, Mr. Gil, we can deal with. I You know why,
One
Mr.
day
Q?
you're gonna have your own team, and
Yeah.
I want to see how you're gonna deal with
No,
as other issues. I want to see how you deal with them.
I'm talking to about this, Mr. K, because at some point I was a coach at APC, Municipality for Orangeville Professional. I had these issues of players that are discipline, but when you see him in the field of play, like you forget everything. So you try find a way of dealing with that so that the boy can focus on that. It's not an easy thing to deal with. It takes time, but you need to invest in that. If really the player, he's a key player that you think he's got a bright future, then you can invest. I
Otherwise,
know
he
it's
still
not
has a
easy.
future at Sundowns.
I don't see. And if I can be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong, because if Usipo, as good as he is now, no coach will want to release him.
All right, there you go. We move on to Junior then. Here is thoughts about Sipho Mbule joining Sekhukhune. Asibonge kakhulu kumfoka Velakazi no Sipho Mbule. We've heard what he has to say. Now with Junior, your thoughts on Sipho Mbule Sekhukhune? I see you're shocked and you're surprised and you're not happy. What are your thoughts about that move?
Not to say that I'm not happy. Anyway, I'm supporting X-Men. I grew up supporting Kaizer Chiefs. So, but now I'm versatile. Yeah, very surprised.
You're a Pirate supporter now.
Mina ngifan etlapedlali football. Mamela me fan that's playing attractive football with ending results. Yabo?
Okay.
Yeah.
Even if that's Polokwane City or,
No,
or Magesi, Black Leopards.
if they can provide beautiful football, I'm gonna be I can support 16 teams. If they can play the
if they
football.
play, all right.
Yeah.
Sipho Mbule Sekhukhune.
Very disappointing letting go another best talent, especially South African game, Fana. I mean, I think this goes with the disciplinary issues. I need to be honest. Ukumbule wasinda kule wekajali, yabona. We need to be honest. The talent to count out. There's many players that are currently. For me, is the best talent South Africa has ever produced. One of the best. Let me put it this way, but one of the best. I believe he's supposed to be Bafana regularly player if we are regularly with Sundowns. And I believe with Melazali. So the mistake by Nzile go Sereno, another mistake they do in Sundowns. I'm not too sure what was Misselin. Lomfana loya kuba megi lomfana ku SuperSport wa Europe, mhlambe from SuperSport to Europe. Now the career it's two ways. Nyakuzwa kuSekhukhune. Siema a very good coach, young and promising. Yeah, udlala more or less isikela sikapitso. Badlala almost uSiyemba Nikila Boneo, Abu Victor Litswalo, Kabelo Dlamini, the list goes on. Uzo vela ngeke amlanda ngeke amdlalise, and my finances is Sekhukhune. They also have backup financial wise, ama resources. So, but it's a big mistake being a melangida. And again, why Kaizer Chiefs watching? It's a dead line today. Nimphethe uSereno mfethu ngimbonile wenza izinto, but now wonke umuntu endlala naye uzobheka uSereno. Why leaving a playmaker like him? So for mfana career, yes, angazi ahlale ebenchini kungukuthi is better than couple of players aqala icede ku Sundowns. Mara angeke uhlale as a player as well. Ay mara nkuleke question mark kuyalapha phela kunaba expectation, the budget bazomnika yona, it's a give and take, and also some disciplinary issues. Maris Sekhukhune, I'm sure Abu Jonas Solomon as well, Simon, they will take care of Umfana. Usiema usezandleni is right, ngoba ibhodelazi. I mean, he believe in South African identity, believe in skillful players. Now kumnikile umntambi second chance. Mix him, ngizwile umntambi, I'm not too sure ukuthi as retire what. If bagaba mix up with couple of players aboncobe, izoba their team they compete.
If Sundowns, if let's assume that there's a disciplinary issue, and if Sundowns ehlambe izandla, or maybe Bati Hamba go somewhere else and come back, is Sekhukhune going to be able to deal with that as well?
I'm bet you can deal with Alama Ishanjanga, Lagabulanga Muntu, but also I'm not promoting what he's doing. He's Mta Alama, you need to grow up. I mean, Gule came over Abumbule man and Klalingen's example. I think about Laboban with Nat. This game you can be so talented. I'm not saying I was so talented, but it can be kicked out now. Imagine me age of 20 years, I didn't have a team. Yabo started very well, I can't lie. It's a fact. Yabo Nami, I was even disappointed to myself. I was so talented. There's no ever company that will invest to a person who's Who's going to pay that person? Who's going to be responsible for that person? So Sipho mele ba understand, it's no longer about talent currently. We are dlalung talent, but dedicated, disciplined, also coachable. Willing to listen to whatever bakutshela, because these people are paying you. You're not paying them. Abo in favor. You are paying to do a job. So Sipho, if he's going to continue, that's why I need to willing take it too. It's a break it or make it. They can pay him and say this switch. I the plan and say, yeah, that's why sometimes it's ingaba phela kwa yonke lento. So umfana la khona naye akazilungise. 1 game, 2 game, 3 in a row, he can come back to one of the biggest teams or even going to Europe. Sundowns can bring him back. Because mhlambe, you'll never know, maybe it's a Jobushi loan, but in a question mark, okay, we're getting rid of this guy. We don't need him. But if he can do well, they can sit down and say, no, let's revisit Isitualo, bring him. Because talent you can't doubt in future. Marlaya Kona, but it's a different environment because of my frustration. If we used to winning, bonus high, but this Kukuni can pay, no. And I'm very tight, I'm a directors and stuff. Not that they are my friend, but I talk to them. They can pay people, they take care of everyone. It's just that obvious different compared to Sundowns. If umfana ngeke ashintshe, career kokugcina le. This is the last chance, I need to be honest.
All right, let me wrap it up with you. I'll ask the same question I asked Utso. When they put you out on loan, it means there's always a chance for you to go back. Do you see him going back to Sundowns if he's doing well this season?
I mean, they will bring him back. I don't think they will bring him back. I need to be honest. He was lucky with the surviving this situation. Just that Rulani Mkwena, Mumpega talent. Rulani could say, play me. I'm coach. The last coaching I won Enza Logutet. Also Farouk Khan ngambona ku development used to tell the Koshan mina nginokuthi inqoshela abafana, but you needed to be so good. But now it's going to be difficult now. Amanye ama coach phela makamletha is like ufaka isandla emanzini abilayo. So now the way Sundowns the road that they're taking now, if they're gonna put abomkwena ngaphandle, you will never know what the coach will last isikhathi esikanani. Babeka best right back ngaphandle as well currently. If not one of the best, let me put it that way, ngoba this guy has done well odlala Pirates but no. Phamisandla, you can't lie. No. Angesenze favor mfana Phamisandla.
I mean, I said on my social media, Udino is the best.
Yeah, because the end product kula state.
Yeah, but final third is
decision making.
Yeah.
But lo mntu uyescanteen now ukwenye level. So pound to pound, questionable after ngibona.
Mudau is no longer the only best one now.
Yes.
It's
one of the
between
best.
The two. It's between the two.
No. Watching this boy, bengifuna ukumbona kubhithimi nama-player that ngwabona ku-environment uye yabo, but mina izugcukuthe the Pirates ufika uperforme the way compose kwenye level.
Otherwise Mbule might not go back to Sundowns.
Yeah, mina for me, yes, because uyabona indlela badila ngayo manje, Mkwena might not even see him anymore. Yabo, they won now and might not seeing him sitting on the bench playing somebody else. If bathatha that direction, go a big player like that, national first 11, it's dangerous kakhulu. So now ngaba indlela ukuthi sharp ishayile, we don't want to back.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Thank you very much to So as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sekhukhune signing Sipho Mbule on a season-long loan. It's just a matter of time before the clubs confirm. The boy has been seen at Sekhukhune. You've seen, I'm sure, some of you, the photos of him wearing Sekhukhune colors next to the Sekhukhune branded taxi. And, of course, our journalist as well confirming that that's a done deal. It is KTV Times, World Sports Betting.